imagine if it goes into gear now.
But like, I can't, this can't, that's got to have blown for some reason, but it ain't blown now, is it? Right, let me open the door again. The pump still worked. Fuse still good. And the fuse was still good. Fuse is good. And it ain't hot. Oh my god, it's going to gear.
It stopped making the noise. It stopped
And the
pumping.
pump sounded different.